What makes the M1A2 the world's most advanced tank? Main battle tanks are key military weapons as they provide direct fire and durability on the battlefield. Today, it's common to see military units that consist of main battle tanks only, as these weapons are advanced enough to perform operations without other units. In modern years, their impressive development led to awesome machines with very powerful armor and high-tech systems. The M1 Abrams are legendary tanks that started serving the U.S. Army in 1980. They have proved countless times their reliability and effectiveness as they have served in the Gulf War, the war in Afghanistan, the Iraq War, the 2011 Egyptian Revolution, and more. The manufacturing companies are the Lima Army Tank Plant and the Detroit Arsenal Tank Plant. From 1982 to 1996, their designer is Chrysler Defense, which have now the name General Dynamics Land Systems. In total, the companies built more than 10,000 units. The M1A2 Abrams are third-generation main battle tanks and some of the heaviest in the world. Currently, there are 3 operational versions of the Abrams line: the M1, the M1A1, and the M1A2. The U.S. Army was planning on replacing the tanks with the Future Combat Systems XM1202, but the project got cancelled. Now, the Army plans on maintaining the current Abrams and upgrade them in any possible way. The M1A2 started production in 1986, and the first one started serving for the U.S. Army in 1992. The M1A2 provides the tank commander with a thermal sight and can shoot 2 targets at the same time. The armor consists of second-generation depleted uranium. The System Enhancement Package (SEP) upgrade came and changed the already improved capabilities of the M1A2. The M1A2 SEP is still today the backbone of the armored forces of the United States. The armor of the SEP version has upgraded deplete uranium components that makes it one of the best in the world. The Army can extend the level of protection by adding explosive reactive armor. The weapon of the tank is the 120mm M256 that has a range of 2.5 miles. The weapon shoots M829A3 APFS-DS ammunition and M1028 rounds. The second choice is an excellent ammunition against infantry targets at the range of 0.12 to 0.3 miles. There is a modern and capable fire control system in the tank with a ballistic computer. The 2 thermal sights use second-generation FLIR technology that also provides night vision capabilities. The main battle tank also features a digital battlefield management system that can distinguish friendly and enemy targets. The system displays at live time the location of nearby friendly vehicles. The crew of 4 includes the commander, the gunner, the loader, and the driver. The AGT 1500 gas turbine engines develop 1,500 horsepower and provides decent performance to the vehicle. The M1A2C is the third version of the M1A2 SEP battle tank. The US revealed it in 2015. Until today, it's the newest of the Abrams. The tank can fire XM1147, advanced multi-purpose programmable ammunition, and the M829A4 advanced kinetic energy rounds. The protection system is the active Raphael Trophy HV. The U.S. Army requested 247 upgrades of MIA-1 tanks to this version back in 2017, although in 2020 the U.S. Army ordered more upgrades to M1A2C for the next 8 years. The Abrams are the only active main battle tanks of the U.S. Army as of today. The SEP version 3, or M1A2C, is the most modern upgraded version of the Abrams line of tanks. The new improved version feature impressive systems and technology, top-class armor, powerful firepower, and have a fair price. With all of these features, there are not many things that can outperform this successful tank. Thanks for watching.